in his debut was making plays at third. And as stated, if you push a bird out of the nest, it doesn't know it can fly. Ladies and gentlemen, Greg Flynn.
I want to say, I love all you fellas.
Yeah, we love you, Greg.
I want to thank Coach and upper management for giving me this opportunity. John messed up the quote.
Say it again. What is it?
A bird doesn't know it can fly until it's pushed out of the nest.
Yeah!